Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a fun trip through the kitchen with a little challenge. How well do you know your kitchen utensils? We are going to show you a series of kitchen utensils one by one. Your challenge will be to name them correctly. But here is the catch. We will be speaking English, so get ready to test your vocabulary. A spatula. A spatula is a flat, flexible tool with a long handle, often made of rubber or plastic. To illustrate, she served the lasagna with a spatula, making sure to get a generous portion of each layer. A whisk. A whisk is a kitchen tool with a handle and a series of wire loops or coils. In particular, I used a whisk to mix the salad dressing ingredients. A ladle. A ladle is a deep spoon with a long handle used for scooping liquids, like soup or sauce. For example, I used a ladle to serve the steaming soup into bowls. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are a set of small spoons used to measure ingredients like sugar or spices in precise amounts. For instance, add a teaspoon of salt to the batter using a measuring spoon. Measuring cups. Measuring cups are used for measuring larger quantities of ingredients, like flour or water. As an illustration, pour 2 cups of flour into the mixing bowl using a measuring cup. A colander. A colander is a bowl with holes in it, used for draining water from pasta or vegetables. Let's say, drain the pasta in a colander to remove the excess water. A potato masher. A potato masher is a tool used to crush cooked potatoes into a smooth puree. Like for example, I used a potato masher to create a smooth and creamy mashed potato mixture. A meat mallet. A meat mallet is a tool used to tenderize tough cuts of meat. To give you an idea, he used a meat mallet to tenderize the tough steak before grilling. Tongs. Tongs is a tool used for grasping and lifting food, like grilling chicken or turning pancakes. Imagine, I used tongs to flip the burgers on the grill. A paring knife. A paring knife is a small sharp knife with a straight blade, used for cutting and peeling fruits and vegetables. For instance, I peeled the apple with a paring knife. A grater. A grater is a tool with a surface of holes or ridges, used to grate cheese, vegetables or spices. Say for example, I used a grater to zest the lemon for a refreshing citrus flavor. A can opener. A can opener is a tool used to open cans of food. Let me give you an example. He opened the can of beans with a can opener. A peeler. A peeler is a tool with a curved blade used to remove the skin from vegetables or fruits. To demonstrate, she used a peeler to remove the skin from the oranges. A rolling pin. A rolling pin is a cylindrical tool used to flatten dough or pastry. As a case in point, I rolled out the cookie dough with a rolling pin. A sieve. A sieve is a mesh tool used to separate solids from liquids, such as straining flour or sifting powdered sugar. To demonstrate, I used a sieve to sift the flour before baking. Mixing bowls. Mixing bowls are bowls of various sizes used for mixing ingredients together. For example, I combined the ingredients in a large mixing bowl. A cutting board. A cutting board is a flat surface made of wood, plastic or other materials used for cutting and chopping food. For instance, he is chopping the vegetables on a cutting board. A pizza cutter. A pizza cutter is a wheel-shaped tool used for cutting slices of pizza. Let's say she used a pizza cutter to divide the pizza evenly. A meat thermometer. A meat thermometer is a tool used to measure the internal temperature of meat while cooking. Take this example. I used a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the chicken. A wooden spoon. A wooden spoon is a durable spoon used for stirring, mixing and serving food. To illustrate, I stirred the soup with a wooden spoon until it thickened. Well done! You have mastered 20 kitchen utensils in English. That's amazing! Knowing the names of kitchen utensils in English is important for a few reasons. First, it helps you to cook and bake with confidence. Second, it expands your vocabulary. And third, it makes you a more knowledgeable and capable person in the kitchen. So keep cooking, keep learning, and keep exploring the world of food and language. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you soon on the channel.